Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of this AutoCAD basic training. Today we are looking at how to draw rectangle in AutoCAD. Okay, there are three basic methods to draw rectangle in AutoCAD. Number one, provide two corners. Number two, area method and dimension method. Okay, you can actually activate the rectangle command by clicking on rectangle icon from the draw panel, and also by typing rec and press enter. Okay, now what actually mean is by clicking on this rectangle icon from this draw panel. Okay, click here, then you can go ahead and draw your rectangle. Then another one where we can activate rectangle command is by typing REC, then press enter. You can go ahead and draw our rectangle. Okay, now let's look at the first one, provide two corners. Okay, now when you click on this rectangle icon, then on the command line specify first corner point, then click here as first corner point, then specify other corner points. Okay, now click here, then at click here, specify first corner point, click here, then at, for instance, 20, 10. Okay, then press enter. All right, so this is the first method, which is provide two corners. Remember, you click on this icon, then specify the first corner, you click here, then you now type at. Okay, then 20, 10. Now let's check. Type DIS, press enter to check the distance. Okay, you can see we have 20, then DIS, press enter, so we have 10. Okay, so we have 20 and 10. All right, now let's look at the second one, area method. Okay, now when you click on this rectangle icon, click on the first corner, then specify other corner. Okay, then click on the area, then type A, press enter. Okay, for instance, type maybe 200, press enter. Then the length now there is should be 8. Type 8 and press enter. Okay, now when you look at this, let's type DIS, press enter. Measure from here to here, we have 8. Then measure from here to here, we have 25. Now 25 times the area now is 25 times 8. We have 25. (25) times 8. Okay, that is it. So now let's look at the third method, dimension method. Okay, now click on this rectangle icon, then specify the first corner, then click on the dimension, then type D, press enter. Then for instance, type 20, press enter, then type 10, press enter. You have this. Okay, now you can choose the direction you want to move your rectangle. You can go this way, can go this way, can go this way, can go this way, as you desire it. Okay, then you have your rectangle. Now let's type DIS, press enter, have 20, then press have 10. Okay, so that is that about how to draw rectangle in AutoCAD. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell for updates, and don't forget to leave comments in the comment section below. See you in the next class.